Welcome back to all learners. We explore a number of configuration options related to the Hyper-V deployment. Now it's time to understand the key point about the Microsoft hypervisor. Previously in earlier sessions when I discussed about the type 1 hypervisor, I told you that this type of hypervisors don't depend on the operating system. But right now you see that I have installed the Server 2016 operating system, and after that I add the feature hypervisor. Most of the time student got confused that why we add operating system first and then integrate the hypervisor feature on it. So here is the key point. You need to understand that the second important point you need to get about the hypervisor, type 1 hypervisor, is that this type of hypervisor is totally independent and easily coordinate or integrate with the hardware directly. So although we install the operating system and then we add Hyper-V on it, but in Microsoft area, Hyper-V is much capable to direct communicate with the hardware, to direct make the repositories about the compute resources, memory and storage as well. So if you have any confusion, I totally clear this right now that Hyper-V don't depend on operating system related to the configuration of virtualization infrastructure. Hyper-V have the capability to directly communicate with the hardware and make its own repositories. So I hope that you get the second important point about the type 1 hypervisor, that number one excuse me, it don't depend on operating system, and second thing, it has the capability to directly coordinate with the hardware resources.